Welcome everyone to Ruben Law Firm website. My name's David Ruben. One of the things I like to do with these videos is give you as up-to-date, current, recent information as I possibly can. Right now we're in 2023. One area that we handle is family law. What I do personally on a daily basis is handle complicated family law cases. And I have been a part of, not a major part of, but a part of trying to change the laws in Maryland over the last couple years with regard to separation under the same roof. And I have some really interesting news. There is legislation pending in the House of Delegates and the Senate down in Annapolis that will change our family law rules, will change our grounds for divorce forever. Let me read this to you because it's important to know. I will update this if the law actually passes and give a further explanation on it. But the law now says, because we get calls about this almost on a daily basis, right now you have to be physically separated in separate houses for more than a year, and then you can file for divorce based on separation. The new law, and I'm going to read from it, be as accurate as possible, if it passes, and most people that know what's going on down in Annapolis are saying it's going to pass, 6-month separation if the parties have lived separate and apart for 6 months without interruption before the filing of the application for divorce, or irreconcilable differences. What is living separate and apart? It means maintaining separate lives within the same household. What does that mean? I don't know, but I'm going to give you the best advice I possibly can right now, not knowing whether the law is passing or not, but if you are gearing up to separate within the same home, these are the things you should do, in my opinion. You should stop wearing your wedding ring. You should stop having sexual relations with your partner. You should not have any joint bank accounts together. You should not sleep in the same bed. And you should not hold yourselves out to the community as husbands and wives. That way, when the time comes, are you living separate lives? The answer is probably going to be yes. In other words, you're not going to be doing the things that married couples ordinarily do. Is this legal advice? No. Is it information that I'm providing to you in anticipation of the law changing soon? Yes. At Ruben Law Firm, we try to stay out in front of things. We always want to know the most recent laws, looking at the most recent cases so that we can provide the best legal services and the best legal information possible. And that's whether we represent you or not. We provide free consultations in every case. Some people come in, they sit down with us, they hire our services. Some people see my videos online, they hire my services right away. Some people just come in for information. I provide them information and they go on and represent themselves or hire somebody else. That's okay. That's part of what we do, and I will always do that because I believe that everyone should be entitled to a free consultation in a family law case. And here at Ruben Law Firm, we like to think that we're cutting edge, providing the best representation possible to people in all areas of family law.